Hostinger simplifies the process of getting your website online with affordable hosting and a complimentary domain name. Begin by visiting Hosting.com. Their homepage showcases attractive offers. Click on Get Started to initiate the process. Hostinger provides various hosting solutions. However, the single shared hosting plan is ideal for newcomers and budget-conscious individuals. Many plans, including this one, include a free domain name for the initial year. Look for confirmation of your free domain. Select your preferred subscription period to maximize savings. Scroll down to find the free domain registration. Input your desired domain name here. €. Aim for something memorable and descriptive for your site. Enter your chosen domain name and verify its availability. Hostinger will suggest alternatives if your initial choice is unavailable. Once you settle on a name, click Continue. Your order summary, inclusive of the free domain, will be visible. Proceed by creating a new account or logging in as an existing user. Then, select your preferred payment method from the diverse options provided. Finalize your payment through Hostinger's secure and swift system. Congratulations! You've successfully secured Hostinger hosting and your free domain. Your new hosting and domain are now accessible within your Hostinger dashboard, ready for your website development.